Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to the end of your 4th week of the spring semester. I'm just here to give you some updates. I know I forgot to send them in January. I was a little busy, but better late than never, right? Let's start off with DSF Scholarship Renewal. If you have not renewed your DSF Scholarship, please do so as soon as possible. The application just opened. You can go onto the DSF website, denverscholarship.org, and then click on the student portal, and you should be able to renew your DSF application from there. Another thing is we are also having some workshops to help you with your scholarship application. This will be in the email that I'm sending out to all of you as well. We have our next scholarship workshop will be Tuesday, February 18th from 11 to 12:15. And then after that, we have one more in February on the 26th, which is a Wednesday, from 5:30 to 6:45. And then our last one and only one of March will be March 3rd from 9:30 to 10:45. This flyer is in the email that I'm linking to this video, and information will be below in the comments. At the workshop as well, you will learn about the Reisher Scholarship. So if you're interested in the Reisher Scholarship, please go to one of these scholarship workshops. They'll give you information about the requirements and what the scholarship is all about. Okay? Have you done your FAFSA? I know some of you haven't because I still haven't received it. So if you need help with your FAFSA, please go to our next FAFSA workshop. This is in collaboration with the First Generation program here at MSU Denver. Our next one will be on February 24th from 10 to 2. It's right here. I'm also attaching this flyer to the email. The workshop will be all day from 10 to 2 in the Boulder Creek 132. So please make sure to attend if you need assistance with your FAFSA. If you don't need assistance with the FAFSA, cool, but please make sure you're submitting it by April 1st. If you have to fill out the DAIA form, you can also get help at the workshop that we will be having on the 24th in Boulder Creek 132. Again, very important that you all get this done by April 1st to meet one of the DSF deadlines, okay? Along with this flyer, you'll see some information regarding repaying loans. So if any of you have taken out loans, please attend one of these repaying loan workshops so that you can get more information on how to start paying back those student loans. We will be having, it looks like, 2 more for this semester, okay? So, and if you go to any of these workshops, please make sure you take your scholarship passport so you can get it signed off as well. The next thing is our DSF Leadership Conference. So I know a few of you are going, so it's just a reminder to dress in business casual. Don't just go in jeans, don't go in your college attire. Please make sure you're dressed a little professional. We are gonna have our business partners there and an opportunity for you to network. So please dress appropriately. Make sure you attend. So if you RSVP'd, please make sure you attend. If you cannot attend, please contact Stephanie. Her information is in this flyer as well that I'm going to attach to the email and put information below in the link, okay? And another workshop that we have, so Adrian is putting on a self-efficacy workshop, so he's helping out with this. So if you want to attend, please do so. Again, this counts on your passport. We're having 2 this month, February 25th from 3 to 4, and February 27th from 3 to 4 as well. In this building, the Jordan Student Success Building, on the 4th floor, room 400, which is the boardroom upstairs. Are you looking for a networking night? Ooh, well, guess what? There's another opportunity to network. This is tri-institutional, so we have scholars from MSU, CU Denver, and CCD as well. So this will be here at Jordan Student Success Building. It's going to be in the mezzanine on the 2nd floor on the other side of where my office is located from 5 to 7 p.m. You do need to RSVP for this, so I will be including this information along with the email as well. Okay. Are you an artist or a creator? We are putting together with the Office of Immigrant Services, Media, and Art at MSU Denver. They are looking for artists, so it's the Calling All Immigrant Artists and Creators. So information will be included as well. So if you would like your work to be published, this is a great opportunity to do so, all right? So I know I have a few of you that are artists, so please check this out. The last thing is, well, second to last, is our first generation dinner. This is our inaugural first gen dinner. So if you consider yourself to be first generation and you would like to go to this dinner, I highly encourage you to do so. I'm part of the planning committee for this, and we are having this on Friday, February 28th, the same day as our leadership conference. So leadership conference is during the day, dinner is at night. So you can have a day of free food, all right? So we are having this from 6:30 until 8, and this is going to be in the Tivoli Turnhalle. Please make sure you RSVP. The link is going to be below in the comments and in the email as well. And one more thing, if you have not made your first semester check-in with me, please do so as soon as possible. We're already 4 weeks in. I should have already met with all of you. Some of you are missing, and we need to get you in to meet your DSF scholarship requirements, okay? Bye.